Hootie hoo! Yeah. What's up with you boy-headed, nappy, thirsty, back to school HOEs? Now, my client found me, I forgot where, but she found me, okay? She might have found me under the rock. Who knows? I don't know, but she found me. She requested a versatile weave, okay? So I'm going to give her exactly what she asked for. Now, you know these versatile weaves, the braided pattern gotta be like some type of crazy zigzag, circle, up, down, side by side braids, okay? And that's the only way you're gonna be able to install this versatile weave. Now, as you can see, my client hair is pretty thick, but the length is awesome because it's not so long to where it's gonna make it look bulky. It's gonna do exactly what I need it to do. So I already done left the pieces out that I am going to use to cover up the track. They are the bigger braids. I'm pretty sure you can see that. I left the nape out in the center piece at the top, and then the two sides and the baby hairs, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and grease my client's scalp because that's what I do with all of my clients. Make sure I add moisture before applying the sew-in. I am super excited to do the versatile weave because these are actually my favorite to do, to be honest. Very challenging, but I know I can achieve this look, so I'm excited about doing this service on my client. Now, I do offer this service on my website, so if you guys are looking for the versatile weave, you are going to head to my website and check out the weave section, and you should see the service there for booking. I am located in Las Vegas, near the Strip, so if you're looking for a new stylist, come check your girl out, okay? Now, today our special request is to have a middle part, so I'll be sure to do the bust down middle part with this. Also, I will be using a net just to protect her hair, and also to me, the net makes the weave look a lot flatter. Now, I do offer the net to a lot of my clients. Some clients don't want it and some clients do, but I do offer it because I do feel like it makes it last longer and it really, really looks more flatter to me in my eyes, okay? Now, the method with the versatile is the braids do need to be small so it would not be bulky. With the versatile weaves, I usually require people to bring at least 2 bundles or 2.5 or 3, but majority of the time I can only fit at least 2 or 2.5 in your head, okay? Now, as you can see, my client brought 4 bundles, so I am going to do the best I can possibly do by squeezing all of them in there, but I believe we only use 3. Also, when using the net, you are able to add a lot more hair into the head, if that makes any sense. I also love this hair. I don't know exactly where she got the hair from, but it blends very, very well with her actual hair. The texture of the bundles and the texture of her hair matches up really, really good. So this is the outcome. I hope you bald-headed hoes like this. If so, please follow, comment, and share this video.